Welcome to Advic Software. In this video, we'll show you how to export calendar data from PST files and retrieve important appointment information easily. Calendar data stored in PST files includes meetings, appointments, reminders, and schedules. This information is critical for planning, tracking tasks, and smooth business coordination. Why export calendar data? Users export calendar data to create secure backups, migrate data to another email client, access appointments without Outlook, and share schedules across devices or teams. Common challenges. Many users face challenges such as Outlook dependency, risk of missing appointments, data corruption issues, large PST files. The only tool that can help. To overcome these challenges, use the Advic PST converter tool. Download and install the software on your system. The download link is available in the description. Features of the tool. Advic PST Converter extracts calendar data quickly and securely. The tool works without Outlook. It maintains complete appointment details. It also allows selective calendar export and is ideal for users, IT admins, and businesses. Steps to extract calendar from PST files. Run Advic PST Converter and click Select Files. Choose the calendar folder from the mailbox. Select Calendar as the export option. Set the destination path and click Next to begin. And that's it. Your PST calendar data is exported successfully without any data loss. Thank you for watching. For more email migration and management solutions, follow this channel.